Hello, this is the Invest in Value channel. I am Victor, and in this video, I'm going to review a really neat company by the name of Etsy. Etsy is an online e-commerce company with a unique value proposition where they have sellers that create crafts, sell unique items on their website. Before I jump in and analyze Etsy, do me a big favor and click on that like button. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell if you'd like to be notified when I create new videos. Now, getting into an analysis of Etsy, I like to analyze a company, but really be able to answer three questions in my scorecard to determine if this is a good company to buy or not buy or hold. So first, am I getting the Etsy stock price at a discount currently? Second, is this company well operated and have they been performing well? And then last, is it the right time to buy? It could be a great company, but the wrong time to buy. I'd like to answer that question before I can give an opinion on whether this is a good buy opportunity or not. So let me tell you more about Etsy. Etsy provides a unique e-commerce site where the sellers create unique items. Oftentimes these are crafts, unique items that were made by that seller, and they sell them to customers, to buyers. It's a unique proposition. It's not a proposition like Amazon that is just this massive e-commerce site distributing a lot of the product made in China or just in really wholesale distribution mode. No, this is more of unique items. Really nice place to find a unique gift that you'd be giving a loved one. And really, in this case here, I'm looking at furniture accessories. So you can see really unique items like these chairs that you can go on the beach. So this has been really popular since, when you're looking for a gift, this is a pretty nice site to go shop to find a one-of-a-kind gift that you're looking for a loved one. So that's their website, a unique e-commerce site, growing very fast, adding both a lot of users, which would be buyers, and adding a lot of sellers, which are crafts makers and so forth. Looking at the Etsy stock price, it's done really well over the last 5 years. If you own the stock for 5 years, you made almost 1,000% on your money, which is great. As you could expect, when COVID hit and everybody went to e-commerce to buy things, they just took off. From the time when COVID hit to its height, boy, they just jumped up in value. They really rode that wave. In 2021, they continue to ride that wave because I think they provide a unique proposition again. But at the beginning of 2022 and really toward the end of 2021, in their case, their stock has gone down dramatically. And that's when I started to really pay attention to this company as a buy opportunity, because I think they have fallen below their true value. This is a leader in a unique category of, handmade, craft-like products that are sold on the internet. So they're doing really well in that category. And as you can see, their valuation was just incredible. I think at their height, their stock price went up to $294 per share, and they're trading at 115 per share, which is less than half of what they were, their 52-week high. They are a smaller company. Their market cap is $14.71 billion. They have a PE ratio for a high growth company. This is a good PE ratio of 34.43. They don't pay a dividend since they're still in growth mode. So I took all the financial information from Etsy's annual report for 2021 and updated my value model to determine what the value of the company is and compare it to the current stock price. So a couple of things to note: the discount rate I used is 9%. So with higher interest rates, I'm using a higher discount rate. This is a younger company in a very high growth industry of e-commerce. So I use 9%. Their last 3 years, they've just been growing really, really well. 69% growth if you look at the last 3 years. I'm using a more conservative growth rate of 25% for the next 5 years. And then after that, I expect they'll grow about 7% per year into the future. Using those factors, along with the free cash flow they produced in 2021, which was $640 million, the net present value of future free cash flows is $20.76 billion. The market cap currently for Etsy is $14.7 billion. So there is a gap there. There's a discount that you could expect on this stock. Getting down to the stock level, they have 127 million shares of stock outstanding. So we divide that into the net present value to get a value per share of $163.43. The stock is trading currently $115.79. So it provides a nice 41% discount currently on this stock. I try to use conservative growth rates, which leave, I think, a nice discount that you would expect. This is a nice growing company, profitable, that is doing a lot of things right. All right, now let's review Etsy's performance. Last year, they grew year over year of 35%. As mentioned earlier, they had a phenomenal last 3 years, and they grew much larger than that. They are profitable and they generate free cash flow. And the reason for that is they have a high number of new users, the growth in users, which are buyers. They also have a high growth of sellers, new sellers that are selling, items. That's expanding their catalog to an even a larger population of buyers. Their unique proposition really helps them stand apart and be unique online. In 2022, part of their guidance is that they've increased the fees they charge to sellers when those sellers sell products. They used to charge 5% of commission on a sale. They've moved that up to 6.5%. So that's going to increase Etsy's revenue in 2022. They also acquired 2 companies, Depop and Elo7, and that will add to the top line revenue as well as margin. My outlook for this company is that they're going to grow fast, especially in 2022. They should have a couple solid years, and when they release, positive news, you'll see their stock pop. They have a unique model that requires little capital to grow, so they can double in size, and they're not having to add a bunch of infrastructure or, hire a bunch of people that are creators of products, because it's really their sellers that give them such a diversity and innovation. Constant innovation is that a lot of these sellers, this is their day job. They are craftsmen, they are creators, they are creative people that are creating products that are intended for a market they know really well. So that's a really neat model that's very profitable for Etsy. There is good upside in this stock. And I think it's a good entry point currently, and you can even get better on dips. Let me take Etsy through my value investor scorecard. First question is, am I getting a discount on this investment? And I believe yes, at the current stock price, you are getting a good discount on this particular stock. Is the company well operated, performing well? Absolutely. They're actually performing great. And last, is it good timing? I think the timing's very good. And if you want an even better deal, given that 2022 is so volatile, you can wait for another dip and then buy Etsy and have even a better discount. So overall, I think this is a very good buy. It's a good stock to own of a leading e-commerce company. You're getting them at a discount, and they have a very bright future ahead. So this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not recommending that you buy Etsy or any other stock or security. I record my videos of my experience investing. In this case, I am an investor in Etsy, and just to share it with other investors, and I hope you found it interesting. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do me a big favor and like my video. Consider subscribing to the channel and click that bell if you'd like to receive notifications when I release a new video. Thank you so much, and good luck investing in 2022.